Good morning, UAS pilots. Today we're going to show you how to register your aircraft through the FAA. If your aircraft weighs between 0.55 and 55 pounds, you're required to register your aircraft every 3 years. Here's how. First, navigate to the FAA Drone Zone website at faadronezone.faa.gov. When you navigate to the site, you will see there are two options for registration, the Part 107 and registration under the Section 336. If you're a Part 107 operator, you'll register your account through the 107, and if you're a hobbyist or flying for fun, you'll register under the 336. We already have an account, so we're going to just click Log In and agree to the privacy conditions. Once logged in to the Part 107 dashboard, you'll see the inventory on the upper left, as well as the waivers and authorizations. If you tackle this via the 336, you will not have access to the waivers and authorizations. To register, simply click Manage sUAS Inventory. Then in the upper right, you'll see Add UAS. Once you fill out all of the important aircraft details of your new unmanned aircraft, you will click Add UAS. You'll then see that this sample that I typed in a little earlier pops up in our shopping cart.